naman sinta gagawa ako ng I make this for my medicine. Herbal medicine. Basta katawan ko parang may lagnat sa loob. Ito ang ginagawa ko. Hiwa ko ng I cut onion. I cut it small. Like this. Then slice. I make small because easy to become syrup. I make syrup this one. Almost 1 hour I make this to make syrup. Then I drink. But later I drink. 3 times a day I drink this. Then my body pain is take out. The pain. Oh, my body pain. And this one a lot of like you have a fever. Pain here. Pain inside. Fever inside, not outside. Lagyan na natin ito sa dito. Tubig. Boil natin. Tapos ito naman hugasan natin. Yung loya natin, hold natin. Tanggalan ng balat. Hugasan natin na mabuti. At hiwain. Pinagayin ko paghiwa siya guys. Oh. Hinahati ko siya para madali. Yan pag slice ginger. You make medicine. Feel in your body, you make this and you become cure. Very fast cure your body pain. Take out. Herbal medicine. I make herbal. Like this cutting. I cut inside the gider and then the gider and boil it until it becomes syrup. Plus onion. Masali mo na rin ng lahat. Yan. Sali ko na yan lahat. Maganda na pag nag-ano ng gamot. Yan na siya. Tapos lagyan ko siya ng asin. Kinalan siya may salt kasi gamot siya. Salt, sugar. Nalagyan ko na rin lahat. Isang bisis lang ko nilagyan. Tapos siya na. Lagyan ko siya ng sugar. Ito sugar, 3 kutsara. Pakuluan na siya. Pakuluan hanggang maging maging syrup siya. Boil and boil until you make it syrup. Then you drink half cup or 3 times a day you drink that one, then your pain no more lost. Ganyan lang guys, paggawa ng herbal medicine. Sakit ng katawan, very pain your body, then make like that. Especially you have coughing, and I forgot the lemon. I take the lemon one, then I put in. Just we put lemon. Lemon. always taking herbal medicine for myself. Pain, because yesterday I have a lot of doing. I have a grocery. Taking from up or down to up. 3 times I'm from the car, go to the left, and the left, up and down to the kitchen. Then after that, after I take it, washing all the things from the supermarket. Because of COVID-19, all become tired. Okay. After taking outside the grocery, wash all, and after wash, wipe to dry and put in the fridge, put in the stock room. Yan. Ang ingredients, guys, 1 whole garlic, 1 piece of onion, 1 piece of lemon, and little bit pinch of salt, then 3 spoon of sugar, put in. Ayan na, nagawa ng herbal medicine. Pwede din gawin nyo kung yung mga anak nyo may ubo, sinisipon, yan ang pwede ipainom yan para sila gumaling, madaling gumaling. Wala kayong medicine na bibilhin sa supermarket, lalo na sa bukid, malayo ang close pharmacy. So you must do this like this and give to the kids 1 teaspoon for the kids, and for the big one 2 to 3 spoon, because herbal naman yan, hindi naman nakakaano yan, walang side effect yan. So bigyan mas maganda yan sa katawan. Digested pa pagkain nyo lahat dyan. Yan, ganyan ang paggawa ng yan lang, ganyan. Pag ginagawa mo yung yan, sinita habang nagluluto, naglilinis. Nagluluto ko nito, yan ang tabihan. Maliit lang na apoy, yung apoy kong nilagay. Pag medicine kasi gagawin nyo, if herbal you make, you must low fire until seeing some syrup or like nice to drink, because you have a medicine but nice to drink, not beta, not what, but like you drink. Basta you try and you drink, then you taste it. What is this one? This medicine. Because I make always this one, then I feel very bad in my body. Next time I show you how to make my hair growing very fast and very long. Thank you very much for watching. Sana ipanorin lahat ng mga video ko. Please subscribe my channel. Look, ito, mamaya ako nagpapakita kung ibubuel ko pa lahat yan. Matagal na matapos. Kailangan lang natin sinushow ko lang sa inyo paano paggawa. Basta pag na ito, pag ito maging siya, kasi nag-color na siya ng orange, so color sa bombay o sa garlic, naging red na siya. Mamaya maging syrup na siya. Yan, tanggalin ninyo. Para kung madaming gagawin nyo, gawa ka ng tatlong bawang, at 3 onion, 3 garlic, 3 lemon, or lemon, calamansi, pwede na yan. Tapos salt, little bit, then 3 spoon of sugar. Yan. Lagay nyo dito, tapos boil nyo, maging syrup na siya, lagay nyo palamigin nyo sa garura. Basta ganito glass, dito nyo ilalagay yung may takip, ito nilagay nyo sa rep, tapos yun inumin nyo every morning, afternoon and night. Walang yan, bahala, wala pa kayong kain, pwede yan inumin pag masakit ang katawan. Consume for 1 week this one, then you will very cure na your pain. Hindi ako uminom ng mga gamot pag gusto ko herbal lang iniinom ko, kaya tinuturo ko sa inyo ang nalalaman ko paano paggawa ng herbal medicine. Thank you for watching. God bless. And please subscribe my channel. Sana panoorin lahat ng mga video ko para marami kayong natutunan sa aking mga ginagawang video. Salamat for watching. Thank you for watching. Thank you for supporting for me. And thank you for all your support. I shout out all my subscribers. Thank you very much for your supporting me and always watching my video. Continue, stay connected. I love you all more and take care always. Safe on yourself, family. And ito na, pakita ko sa inyo ang aking gawa. Yan. Boiling-boiling lang siya, tapos ganyan naman siya. Sige, bye-bye. Peace out muna tayo. God bless. Huwag kalimutan mag-subscribe, mag-share, mag-likes, mag-comment sa aking video. Salamat. Thank you for watching. Thank you very much. Shout out all to my subscriber and my viewers. Thank you very much to all. I love you all. God bless you forever and ever. Palagi tayong magkasama. Yan. I love you all, Mom.